Learn English speaking through Hindi. हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें. I am in, I am at, and I am on describes an action you are doing. I am in, I am at, और I am on आपके द्वारा की जा रही एक क्रिया का वर्णन करता है. I am in. Most commonly, you would use the word in when you are in physical locations such as a room or a building. आमतौर पर आप इन शब्द का प्रयोग तब करते हैं जब आप भौतिक स्थानों जैसे कमरे या भवन में होते हैं. Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुनें और दोहराएं. I am in the office. I am in English class. I am in front of your house. I'm in my room. I'm in the hospital. I am in the kitchen. I'm in an online class. I am in university. I am in quarantine. I am in love. I am in love with your smile. I am in hurry. I am in danger. I'm in good condition. I am in a relationship. I am in no rush. I am in pain. I am in the mood. I'm in the village. I am at. Using the word I am at helps tell someone your current and specific location. I am at शब्द का उपयोग किसी को आपका वर्तमान और विशिष्ट स्थान बताने में मदद करता है. I am at the airport. I'm at the gym. I'm at your service. I'm at the entrance. I'm at the beach. I am at the camp. I am at the top. I am at the bottom. I am at the end. I am on. Using the word I am on is referring to a non-physical location such as your time being utilized by something else. I am on शब्द का प्रयोग एक गैर भौतिक स्थान की बात कर रहा है जैसे कि आपका समय किसी और चीज द्वारा उपयोग किया जा रहा है. I am on vacation. I am on leave today. I am on duty. I am on the phone. I am on the way.